Tungko kasi yan na ano.
Baka masira sa ambitious. Ayan. Ako man. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ako din. Picturean mo ako.
Kami namin itong kuha mo pa
Bye, elephant. Dito na lang, Bichi! Sis! Try natin dito sa likod. Ayun o. Dito tayo sa likod para wala tao. Sis, dito tayo sa likod. Ayun o. Bibig. Wala pang ano doon. Wala pang disturbo. Dito na lang tayo mag-picture. Ganda din. Dati pinapapila din tayo sa Bichi, no? Picture ang isa-isa. Ayun, ang ganda din dito. Okay na. Pa-picture tayong apat din dyan. Siguro. Sa Shinshin. Shinshin na kami, Shinshin.
Yeah.
one word, one Tagalog. Pulong.
Pulong.
Pulong is Rio. The second is Rio. In Tagalog, Rio, right? Pulong. Okay, pulong. In Tagalog is Rio. So Chinese is hard, but you have Tagalog if you know how to speak English. Tagalog is easy.
Yes.
Yeah, Indonesian language also is easy. When I go to Malaysia, go to the Indonesia, even the Philippines, I say, I can follow the rate. Salama.
Yeah.
I say, I do this, right? Chinese,
Not easy.
different.
Yeah.
Another example, A, B, C, D, this is English. In Chinese, the pronunciation will be A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. We say ba, B, A, B, A, right? A, B, B, A, ba. Like this. This is the speak. Writing is another thing. Yeah. Okay? No matter. Six. Right? Eight. Yes. Okay, so you're very good. Yeah. Okay, so now I need you now. Everyone has to wake up. So I need your attention. So I will give you all the information for the Yanxian Resort. Because you know now, we're driving to Dongguan. Everyone is very hungry. We don't go to the park first. We go to eat first. And 20 minutes before, when we arrive, I will call the restaurant. Make the food ready. It means when we go there, we say we can start to eat.
Yes.
We will do like this. After eat, we driving 1, 2, no more than 1 minute. We will come to the park. So it means I have 2 seconds to talk to the inside. Ours is very cheap. Because you know how much here? $100 for 4 minutes. Yes. You like over here? How much about this one? Oh, this actually has a lot of boys here. $100 for here. Yes. So this is this one. Okay, I think we have more long driving. Traffic is too heavy. Now when you say outside.
Hindi pala siya mango, Longan tree pala siya.
It's village.
House daw, village daw.
Parang pabahay sa Pilipinas. Pabahay siguro yan.
Pabahay, parang pabahay sa Pilipinas. Ang cute na yun, ang cute nga. Village nga daw. Village siya, village, yung mga maliliit na bahay. Dami, no? At saka maano na pala na mababa yung puno niya. Sa atin, ubos yan pag namunga. Ubos yan pag namunga. Daming lungan, guys. Ayun ang puno, ang daming bunga. Kapag namunga yan, dali sa Hong Kong, dibenta.